So exactly at about 2 hour 40 or 50 something minutes, the batteries have finally gone off. Remember, the load we tested on these batteries were 600 watts plus, around 670 to 680 watts, right? So we are going to check the battery voltage now to see at what volt the battery exactly cut off. So the meter is already set to volt. I'm going to check the battery voltage now, right? So you can see 22.0 volt. I think that's a self-recovery voltage. The inverter is already showing fault. It means the battery is low. So since it's 22.0 volts, each battery now is giving out output of about 11.0 volt. On the norm, this 2 units of 200 amps 12 volt from Lemax is supposed to give us at least 5 hours at 80% DOD. But the reason why it gave us 2 hour plus is because if you remember, the first test we did, or when we checked the voltage, it was on 26.2 volt. That means each battery is giving about 13.1 volt, and according to the battery, full voltage is 14.0 volt. So we assume we started using this system at about maybe 60% or 55%. What I'll be doing next is to recharge the battery banks to make sure the battery banks are fully charged to 14.0 volts, then carry out the second test. The first test was with a 680 watt load, which give us about 2 hour 50 minutes. So we are going to recharge the battery banks because I didn't charge the battery banks. What I used to do this test is factory charge, the charge that came along with the battery. So I will recharge the battery myself, then do another load test on the batteries. But the first test with the 680 watt load, the battery delivers 2 hour 50 minutes.